I'm Camelia Terrell. I'm a master cosmetologist and the owner of Envision Salon Spa and Hair and Nails. And today I'm going to walk you through a few curly hair tutorials. Miranda Lambert curls are one of my favorite curls to do. So one of the things that you want to use, I recommend a 1 3/4 inch iron. And while you're creating that curl, use a light formation spray or just a lightweight hairspray. And while you're creating that curl, you're moving down to make that curl. You want to here, okay? But yet you're still turning your wrist and you're creating a curl, but it's going to have so much volume and just a beautiful curl. The Miranda Lambert curl is so beautiful.